In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new iCloud shared photo library. If you've been wanting to share your cherished moments more seamlessly with friends and family, then this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step, starting with updating your operating system. First, you'll want to make sure your device is updated to iOS 16 or later. This feature is only available on devices running iOS 16 or newer, so you'll want to take care of this first. It's also important that anyone you plan on sharing your photos with is on the same update. To do this, head over to your device's settings. From there, tap on General and find the Software Update option. Once you're in, check if there are any available updates. If you see that an update is available, go ahead and install it. This will ensure that everyone's on the same page technology-wise and ready to use the shared photo library efficiently. Now that your device is all set, it's time to enable the shared photo library. Start by opening the Settings app once again. Navigate down to the section labelled Apps, and from there find and tap on Photos. Here you'll see an option called Shared Library. Tap on that and then tap on Get Started. This will initiate the setup process for your shared photo library. Next, it's time to choose who you want to share your photos with. You have the flexibility to add up to 5 people to your shared library. When you have decided who to include, go ahead and send out your invites. You can do this conveniently via messages or mail through the app, allowing your chosen participants to join seamlessly. Moving on to the third step, it's time to move or share your photos into the shared library. You'll be presented with 3 distinct options. The first option is to share all my photos and videos, which does exactly that. The second option allows you to choose specific photos by people or date, enabling you to be a bit more selective. Lastly, there's the option to manually move photos later, which is perfect if you're not ready to commit just yet. Pick the option that best suits your needs and tap Continue to proceed. Finally, accessing your shared photos is simple. Open up the Photos app and tap on your profile photo. From here, you'll now be able to switch between your personal library and the shared library effortlessly within the app. This makes viewing and managing your personal and shared collections flexible and straightforward. And there you have it, your shared photo library is all set up and ready to use. It's a brilliant way to enjoy your photo collections with the people who matter most. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience using this fantastic feature. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.